Tonight, the White House press secretary says that President Trump is hard at work, though again today he had nothing on his public schedule. That's the 11th time that has happened since the election. And while he has sent hundreds of tweets, purged several top officials, and played 4 rounds of golf, sources say behind the scenes, he's mostly focused on keeping his job. Here's CBS's Paula Reid.
Even as top health experts warned the pandemic is spiraling out of control, President Trump made no mention of it today, had no public appearances, and tweeted only falsehoods about the election. The president hasn't attended a coronavirus task force meeting in several months.
We mourn for every life lost to the China virus.
And the last time he offered his sympathies for the dead was October 31st. Nearly 19,000 have died since then. CBS News has learned Vice President Pence was directly told by health officials that he and the president must publicly address what they called a dire situation. The U.S., they said, could see up to 2,000 deaths a day by Christmas.
We're up to 250,000 dead.
President-elect Biden told frontline healthcare workers that Mr. Trump is blocking his transition team from getting up to speed on the pandemic.
We've been unable to get access to the kinds of things we need to know about, which unless it's made available soon, we're going to be behind.
An emotional ICU nurse from Minnesota pleaded for help.
I myself have held the hand of dying patients who are crying out for their family that they can't see.
That caused Mr. Biden to wipe away tears.
You got me emotional.
President Trump, meanwhile, has continued to fire people. Chris Krebs, the country's top election official, let go after disputing the president's false election claims.
I was very disappointed when I found out that he had been terminated.
Even Republicans condemned the move as Krebs oversaw a safe and secure election. One the president's campaign is still trying to reverse, now seeking a recount in 2 counties in Wisconsin as a Georgia recount wraps up tonight with little evidence of wrongdoing.
This is a disgrace.
There was outrage from the public in Michigan last night as Wayne County Republicans initially blocked certification of Mr. Biden's win before later relenting.
Shame on you.
The Trump campaign is strapped for cash, and that is part of why they're focusing on just 2 counties in that Wisconsin recount. It'll cost them around $3 million, whereas a statewide recount would have cost them nearly $8 million. Either way, the recount is not expected to change the outcome in that state. Nora.
Paula Reid, thank you.